How to invite someone to join TikTok Live. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To invite someone to join your TikTok Live, open up your TikTok application. So over here, make sure that you are logged in into your TikTok account. Now, if you don't have the live option, this is because maybe you are under 18 or you have less than 1,000 of follower. To go live, TikTok does have a criteria that you must be above 18 and you must need at least 1,000 follower. Then to go live, you can just click on the plus sign icon, then you will see the live option. Just click on it to go live. Once you have successfully got yourself on live, now to invite someone to join your TikTok live, what you need to do is at the bottom you will see the guest option. You can click on the guest option. After which you need to click on the invite option. Then you can just click on the invite to select other creators or friends to join as guests. And yes, you can actually invite multiple of guests in your TikTok live. Now, if you wish to manage it, you can do so by tapping on the settings button and you can actually select one of the moderator as well. So this is how you invite someone to join TikTok Live. That's it for the video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.